We are Karl and Caddy. Together, we are Nowhere Bound Touring. We've been adventuring for over 2 years now around Australia in our truck and our caravan. Sharing our full-time life on the road, we take you to some interesting and unique locations, along with sharing tips and tricks of how to make caravan life that little bit easier. So if you're not already, make sure you hit subscribe.
Morning everyone, we are leaving Byfield National Park at Red Rock Camp and heading into Yeppoon to meet some of Karl's rallies for the first time. After having a great day catching up with Karl's family, we went searching for a free camp and we discovered there's none in Yeppoon. So we had to stealth it. Yeppoon seems like a nice place to go for a family holiday. Not really that appealing to us. Seemed a bit touristy. This is where we parked up last night. Lovely spot. A few midges though. Awesome boat ramp. Maybe next time we'll stop and fish. We headed back to Rocky, got some supplies and moved on to Mackenzie's River crossing, which is inland. It's a great spot, but you do have to consider the fact that you are in the riverbank. So yeah, Karl moved us a few times, just concerned as to what would happen if it rained. G'day everyone, we've changed camps again and we're on the McKenzie River at Mackenzie's Crossing. Have a look at this. We can't swim though, because there's crocs. Not that we've seen any yet.
Guess what I'm up to again? Making pizza. Yummy. They're all ready. I just need to knead this down again, chop it up into pieces, roll it out, and we're good to go. Yeah. Well, I've put some pizzas together, and this one is a vegetable Mexican hot one. This one's like a mushroom with feta and some anchovies and so on, onions, and this one's a little bit similar but just a bit different, with nice mozzarella and red onion. It's going to be nice. And this one's got homegrown chilies on it, so that's going to be hot. And of course salami and ham. We'll see how they go. Look good. I'm getting hungry. So 2 of our pizzas are ready. This one got a little bit toasty, but he's okay. And this one just looks delicious. And this one's actually got potato on it.
What?
Potato. We'll check that out and see what that's like.
You sneaky little shit, you snuck that in there.
We are still at the Mackenzie River crossing camp, and today I'm going hunting. Hunting for red claw. So I've heard that they like fruit as well as meat type stuff. So I've got some old pineapple. They don't really say pineapple, they say rock melon, watermelon and a few other things. But we didn't have that. I've got pineapple. So we're going with a bit of pineapple. I've got pineapple offcuts that I've got in there. But I also have got some canned cat food. So I'm going to use them both. We're going for the double up. So I'm going to just put a canned cat food in there with some holes in it, chuck it in and see how we go. It is midday, so it's sort of the wrong time, but we will check it later on tonight. Fair bit of water. They say that crocs can occasionally come up here, and I'm thinking it's a bit too muddy to swim. If it was clear, I think that'll be okay, but I don't know about it when it's that muddy. But never mind. Let's see. So we have in here our canned cat food, and I've got some, like I said, pineapple in a container. I've just punched all holes in it so it doesn't all float away. And we'll chuck it in and see how it goes. Well, hopefully we get something to eat. If not, we might have to starve. Oh well. There's our camp. Just in case people are wondering, we had some trouble with our fridge in the van some time ago, and I put some cooling fans in it. And since then, it has been working. It's been working definitely acceptable, up to 40 plus degrees in the day, and the fridge has been smashing it with being around 3 degrees or so. So let's see how hot it is today. It's warm. Thermometer says about 38 in the shade. Cockies.
Hopefully no crocodiles.
Hopefully no crocodiles. There is no marks from them anyway.
There's no slidey mark.
No. And the edge is slippery as. Oh, down in the mud part of this, yeah. Oh, looks like we've got a big haul.
Oh.
Of nothing.
Damn. Bummer.
Are we putting it back in or?
Up to you. Maybe. Just have to remember it in the morning. Well, the cat food's open now, so we've got to use it.
Oh, I think it's already used. Oh, that was a failure. There's either no fish in there, no yabbies, or they know that it's me.
Yeah, they probably know it's you.
Yeah, probably.
But look at our beautiful camp.
Yeah, he's panning. Well, there's been a lot of stuff washed down.
And strangely, we've been here for 2 days over the weekend and no one's been here. And today we've had 3 cars arrive.
Yeah.
Ooh, Might be a storm tonight.
Been getting more and more every night.
Yeah. And if there is, we'll have to take off in the middle of the night, probably. Because we're camped in a riverbed-ish. Never camp in a riverbed.
How are we going to remember that?
To never camp in a riverbed.
No, the crab pot tomorrow.
Oh.
A failure again.
Oh, you got one. Didn't you?
No.
Oh. You sure? Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Right. I thought you might have just been dreaming or tricking me then for a second. Another failure. Friggin' Harry. I don't know how somebody can fail that much at fishing. Cat food didn't work and the pineapple didn't work. I reckon there's none in here.
Well, it has rave reviews that it does.
Well, they're just people that trick to get you here so they can get your money. No dinner this morning.
Oh, it's a pretty camp anyway.
That's the consolation prize. We don't want the consolation prize. Another failure.
We're off again. We're leaving Mackenzie's River and heading to Duaringa. There's a rest area there we're going to check out, and if it's any good, we'll stay. Otherwise, yeah, we might continue on. We'll see where we land.
Duaringa rest area is perfect. There's lots of space, toilets, showers, and it's only about a K walk to the local hotel.
G'day everyone. We have arrived at the Blackdown Tablelands near Emerald in Queensland, and we've come up here to check out all the lookouts, the waterfalls, and go on a few walks, and of course bring you along.
We hope you enjoy it.
We're currently at the Horseshoe Lookout, and we'll just head over there. It's only 100 metres and we'll check it out. We haven't seen it yet, so let's have a look. Nice and quiet.
Yeppoon, horse feet. And that's why it's called Horseshoe Lookout. And apparently the Blackdown wattle, this is the only place it's found. And it flowers in winter.
Where's the wattle?
This is a wattle, isn't it?
Not a wattle.
It's a pine tree.
I don't know what you're looking at.
I'm looking for the
I can see a wattle over there. It's a scummy little wattle thing, but anyway.
Stumpy little wattle. Oh, that's
Anyway,
a wattle right there. Something's been digging. Even barbecues.
I know, it's all set up.
Yeah.
Must get packed up here in peak. Now's the perfect temperature, my gosh.
Yeah.
What is it, like 24?
Look, it's like a big picnic area.
Yeah, I think it gets busy up here.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That poor guy.
Oh my gosh. Not only he's had stuff dropped on his head, now he's fallen off the cliff. Poor dude.
Wow. Awesome.
It is, isn't it? What a pretty valley.
Blackdown Tableland is part of a sandstone plateau from which creeks and gorges were created. The Bowen Basin began as a long valley behind a coastal mountain chain. Volcanic rock bordered its eastern margin and river sediments accumulated in the southwest depression. The sea later flooded the basin and filled it with marine mud. As the sea slowly withdrew to the south, alluvial plains and swamps with thick coal deposits extended from the north. Volcanic sediments were eroded from rising mountains, eventually filling the Bowen Basin and transforming it to shallow river plains. Freshwater streams later flushed thick blankets of quartz sand across most of the basin. The weight of the sediment above the compressing geological forces from the east hardened the sands to a grainy rock and are visible in Blackdown Tablelands' eastern cliffs. Over time, the sandstone has resisted erosion to remain as a flat-topped tableland, while older, softer sediments have weathered away to the surrounding plains. Being elevated and isolated, Blackdown Tableland is home to plants and animals found nowhere else. We are at the South Mimosa Creek, where at the right time you can actually swim in these beautiful little swimming holes. Not today. That would be so good to swim in if it was... Yeah, look at it.
The rock pools here are amazing. If you had rain, it would be spectacular. There won't be any swimming today. How pretty, isn't it?
It's very pretty.
A shame it's not flowing.
Yeah, the birds are
Listen to
gorgeous.
the birds.
Yeah.
The birds are magnificent.
It's so smooth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
Join us next week as we continue exploring the Blackdowns Tableland. We find the waterholes that we can swim in and some waterfalls.